Have you ever heard of a place where ships vanish without a trace, planes disappear from the sky, and no one can explain why? Get ready, because today we're rediving deep into one of the greatest mysteries on Earth, the Bermuda Triangle. So, what exactly is the Bermuda Triangle? Picture this, a vast, mysterious region in the North Atlantic Ocean. It forms a triangle connecting Miami, Florida, the island of Bermuda, and San Juan, Puerto Rico. This patch of ocean covers about 500,000 square miles, and for decades, it's earned a chilling reputation as the place where things simply vanish. The legend really took off in the early 20th century, fueled by a series of baffling disappearances that captured the world's imagination. Let's look at some of the most famous cases. First, there's the infamous Flight 19. In 1945, 5 U.S. Navy bombers took off on a routine training mission. The weather was crystal clear, but suddenly, their compasses started malfunctioning. The pilots grew disoriented, lost their direction, and then, poof, they vanished from radar. Even more bizarre, a rescue plane sent to find them also disappeared. To this day, not a single piece of wreckage from any of those 6 planes has ever been found. Then there's the story of the USS Cyclops. Back in 1918, this massive US Navy ship, carrying over 300 men and 10,000 tons of cargo, was sailing through the triangle. Without sending a single distress signal, it vanished. This remains one of the largest non-combat losses in the history of the US Navy. Gone, without a trace. And it doesn't stop there. Between 1948 and 1949, 2 British passenger planes, the Star Tiger and the Star Ariel, disappeared mid-flight while flying over the Bermuda Triangle. Just like the others, there was no SOS call, no debris, nothing. One moment they were there, the next, they were gone. So, what on earth could be causing this? Over the years, countless theories have emerged, ranging from the logical to the downright bizarre. One popular scientific explanation points to magnetic disturbances. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on the planet where true north and magnetic north align. This can wreak havoc on traditional compasses, potentially sending navigators way off course and into treacherous waters. Another compelling theory involves massive methane gas bubbles. Deep beneath the ocean floor, huge pockets of methane gas can suddenly erupt. When they do, the water's density plummets dramatically. Any ship caught in this area would lose buoyancy and sink almost instantly, leaving no time for a distress call. Of course, we can't ignore the weather. The region is notorious for its sudden and violent tropical storms, powerful waterspouts, and unpredictable currents. A sudden rogue storm could easily overwhelm a plane or ship, knocking out communications and pulling it beneath the waves in minutes. And then, we have the more supernatural theories. Some people believe the triangle hides an underwater alien base, or that it's a portal to another dimension. Others link it to the legendary lost city of Atlantis, suggesting that its mysterious energy source is still active and causing these strange events. While these theories remain unproven, they certainly add to the enduring allure of the mystery. But what do modern scientists say? Well, investigations by the US Coast Guard and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration have found something interesting. They report that the number of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle isn't actually higher than in any other heavily trafficked area of the ocean. They believe most incidents can be explained by a combination of human error, severe weather, and simple navigation mistakes, not supernatural forces. And yet, the mystery lingers. Many wrecks were never found, and the final moments of those aboard remain completely unknown. So, what do you think? Is the Bermuda Triangle just a myth, a collection of coincidences blown out of proportion? Or is there truly something strange and unexplainable lurking beneath those dark waters? Some say the ocean never gives up its secrets, and maybe, in the case of the Bermuda Triangle, it never will. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the world's greatest mysteries, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.